Did you know? The average adult spends almost 3 hours on their smartphone every day. The digital age is transforming the way money is being spent on advertising. Did you know? The world's most exciting mobile marketing technology for business is here. From Asirvia, the leader in proximity marketing solutions. The opportunity is now. Demand for proximity marketing is growing rapidly to over $45 billion by 2025. We are at the very beginning of this explosive growth. Asirvia leads the way with innovation and patent-pending technology to dominate this space. Asirvia is changing the way business can market to their customers with the newest technology in proximity marketing that levels the playing field for local business. Imagine a precise message or ad delivered to actual customers in a local area directly to their smartphones and devices with a message that appeals to their interest at a fraction of the cost. For customers, that's convenient. For businesses, that's an opportunity to maximize advertising dollars. Asirvia is more than just an advertising platform. It's a community-based social platform with endless applications. We want you to take advantage of this new opportunity and join us. Our name, Asirvia, means to serve. We've created a company that is different, with a culture that empowers and an opportunity to prosper for people just like you. Now is the time to join Asirvia and position yourself in a dynamic, growing industry with a company that cares about people, community, and local business. Asirvia is dedicated to those businesses who generate and create a local economy by helping them reach, with proximity marketing, the people they care about. You can be the difference. You can make a difference. Our compass points upward and forward, the direction we always take as a company, the direction we want to take you. We are Asirvia. We offer proximity marketing solutions. We are here to serve, and we want you to join us.